All right, guys, very happy to be here. Santosh sir here showed me, I think about 9 or 10 or maybe 12 exhibits in which I saw different design innovations. I was very happy about the presentation and giving a speech and all, but truth be told, I think I was very happy to see what the students were doing. I got inspired by them. Everything from anti-anxiety clothing to life-saving stretchers to Indo-ethnic action figures to, just the level of diversity in terms of the kind of design experiments that they're doing at Woxsen. It was quite amazing. So I'm very happy to have come and hoping to visit the campus.
Yes.
I think Dr. Saxena and Santosh sir here are doing some amazing work. And also, big ups to T-Works for providing sort of an incubation environment that hosts this kind of innovation. So congratulations T-Works and congratulations Woxsen University on this amazing Design Vanguard.